Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Pizza Hut emails. Open the website pizzahut.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. At the upper part of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Communication. Under Communication Preferences, you will see two options. Click on the radio button beside Unsubscribe me from deals and promotional emails. Then click on Save. That's how you unsubscribe from Pizza Hut emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.